Off-White Jordan 1 UNC, one of the best shoes ever created in my opinion. Size 7, cop from the Sneakers Shock Drop. Boosh! Look at the red zip tie plastic. Off-White courtesy of Nike. 2018 zip tie. Super dope. Blue laces, orange laces, default white laces. You already know. Shoelaces on the tip. Shit, man, this is such a crazy release. Came out last year in May. Holy fuck. Let's go over the shoe right now, man. This is a beautiful shoe. 85 on the left tongue. On both tongues, actually. Shit. 85 on both inside tongues, man. Let's go over the side right here, man. Oh my god. Nike Air in parentheses. Ooh, stitched on blue swoosh. Blue Air logo is really nice here too. Wow. You want to make sure that your pair has like really clean stitching throughout, because fakes have pretty bad stitching. But yeah, you have a little bit of orange with an orange tag stitched on as well. Here's the inside. Wow. There's wording right here. Crazy, man. I think this shoe is just ridiculous. I can't believe it's not going higher. Yeah, just check the tongue. Typical foam tongue. We have a Nike tag on the side here. And the back part here is a little bit of foam material as well. Foam up here. Interesting material. Yeah, this is the back stitch on centerpiece right here. I think this is my favorite shoe of all time. When it dropped, I hit like every raffle, so that was ridiculous. Let's check out the bottom real quick. Typical blue Jordan bottoms. Nice. Box. Size 7. Inside you have this plastic paper, Off-White Air Jordan. A little bit of white plastic here. And I like the lid. Look at the lid. It lifts up so you can like see the shoe. There's a plastic piece right here. Nice touch. I think this is for like all Off-White Jordan 1s. They have this little nice plastic on top. There you have it. They also have a made in China tag. This is made in China. Stitched on like shoe pads right before I forget. A little bit like stitched on the shoelaces, so it's a really cool little detail right here. Yeah. I like this part here. If you zoom in here, it's like some synthetic material on the toe. And on the side here too. A little bit of foam. Small piece of foam. The gray part here is suede. Yeah, this is a beautiful shoe. One of the best shoes ever created. They don't make them like these anymore, but they're actually made. He actually made a preview of the yellow ones. Like Virgil Abloh had a preview on his Instagram with a yellow Jordan 1. So I don't know if those are coming out or not. But if those are coming out, you've gotta expect to like enter every raffle, loop every raffle, you know, because you're gonna need to cop those pairs for sure. Jordan 1 Offwhite UNC, one of the best shoes ever made.